When a heavy commercial truck rolls down a sun-baked highway in the dead of summer, the heat radiating off the pavement physically compromises the equipment, stressing tires and cooling systems to their breaking point. For small and mid-size carriers, the risk usually starts small. A tire runs hot and loses pressure, forcing a roadside delay. That delay leaves the driver sitting in triple-digit heat, and eventually a delivery window gets missed. Surviving extreme temperatures requires treating summer safety as a rigorous operational workflow. A simple "stay hydrated" text in the group chat is insufficient when the rubber actually meets the road. Today, we are going to build a 4-part extreme heat protocol. Using the dispatch software you already have, you can set up a system to stop this chain reaction of failures before the truck ever leaves the yard. Step 1 is redesigning the morning routine. A standard yes or no pre-trip inspection often fails to catch the subtle pressure changes and cooling issues that lead to major summer breakdowns. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration specifically points out that tire pressure needs to be checked when the tires are cold, meaning the truck has been parked for at least 3 hours. If you wait until the truck is under load and on the highway, the reading is already compromised. To fix this, look at your transportation management system's forms builder. You need to create a custom summer checklist that forces mandatory data entry. Instead of a simple checkbox, require specific inputs for tire pressure, coolant level, battery condition, and emergency water. But capturing the data is only half the job. If this checklist just gets filed away as compliance paperwork, it is useless. Your dispatch team must actively review these entries the moment they are submitted. A properly configured, data-rich checklist gives fleet managers the exact information they need to spot an underinflated tire or a low coolant reservoir. You can ground the truck and fix the issue in the yard, avoiding costly on-road downtime. Step 2 shifts our focus from the equipment to the people operating it. Drivers and dock workers exposed to direct sun face severe heat stress. OSHA strictly advises prioritizing water, rest, and shade as temperatures climb. Compare these. On the left, "Stay cool out there" provides zero actionable support. On the right, a structured check-in requires a response. It states the 100-degree heat index, confirms AC and brake access, and demands immediate reporting of coolant or tire issues. Go into your dispatch messaging tool and build this exact template. Save it as a macro so your team can deploy it instantly to any driver experiencing a delay. Standardizing this communication ensures no driver is left isolated in dangerous conditions. It turns heat safety into an active, measurable operating standard. Even with perfect pre-trips, extreme heat can still force a truck off the road. A disabled, fully loaded semi sitting on the gravel shoulder of a desolate highway in 100-degree heat is a massive safety hazard. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration explicitly requires drivers to discontinue operation if weather conditions become sufficiently dangerous. That rule applies to extreme heat just as much as it applies to a blizzard. This shows a drop-down menu in a standard dispatch system. To handle roadside hazards systematically, you need to configure a dedicated delay code. Adding this specific extreme heat/safety option gives your team a clear way to log the event. Formalizing this code protects the driver from dispatch pressure by acknowledging the environmental danger, and it protects the company by clearly documenting why a safety intervention was necessary. Clearly defined delay codes provide systemic authorization. They allow drivers to prioritize their own life safety over a shipper's appointment time without adding any administrative friction. Step 4 ties everything together. Preventing the chain reaction of heat failures requires systemic, at-a-glance visibility across your entire fleet. This dashboard filter, high-risk heat, uses 3 columns. Column 1 tracks trucks with coolant or tire issues, equipment risks. Column 2 flags drivers waiting outdoors over an hour, human risks. Column 3 identifies the attached loads, service risks. A common trap in this industry is waiting for a frustrated customer to call before discovering a heat-related delay. By the time the phone rings, you have already lost control of the situation. This dashboard gives dispatchers the visibility to stop reactively scrambling. They can now proactively manage customer updates and protect service reliability using the live data on screen. Let's review the system. You now have a custom pre-trip checklist gathering real data, an active messaging macro protecting drivers, a specific delay code logging interventions, and a visibility dashboard monitoring the entire operation. These workflows provide a proactive safety net. You have moved beyond verbal reminders to a system that intercepts delays and mechanical issues before they turn into disasters. If you want to reduce confusion and automate these exception alerts even further, YBOR Logistics AI is your next step. We help logistics teams create smarter workflows for real-world fleet operations. Implement this workflow today. Stay safe, stay prepared, and keep your operation moving with better information before problems hit the road.